Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how you can skin your 3D characters in Blender Next. So let's take a look to this brutal mesh file. You will get this file together with this build on my Boosty or ArtStation pages. So we have many joints here. How we can skin this mesh? This character don't have any weights. You open object mode, select mesh, your mesh should be merged, select skeleton, Ctrl P with soft weights. Those weights are topologically independent. What does it mean? Your entire mesh will be skinned automatically. See? But some mesh parts are attached to each other because this skin system calculates some kind of bounding box, so we should define which types of your mesh are hard and which types of your mesh are soft. So you select joints on your head, for example, your hair banks. Open object mode, select mesh, go to weight paint, weights, set hard weights for selected joints. Now your weights are moved independently. See? And other geometry left untouched. Also for your clothes, for example, those ones here, fix skinning, you can select those joints, open weight paint, weights, set hard weights for selected joints. Done. Skinning is fixed for this mesh part. That's how you can deal with skinning now in Blender Next. Everything else can be fixed via standard skin brushes. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.